Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google's plans for the Pixel 9 series, Samsung's Galaxy AI features expansion, Apple's new AirTag update plans, India's EV policy, and Tesla, Amazfit BIP 5 Unity smartwatch launch, WhatsApp beta testing chat log feature for linked devices, Blue Origin Sub-Orbital space flight, and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below and don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google is likely to introduce 4 models in the Pixel 9 series, including an XL and foldable model, offering new color options and design enhancements. The Pixel 9 series is anticipated to feature AMOLED screens with up to 120Hz refresh rates, Tensor G4 chip, and Android 15 OS with on-device AI capabilities. New color options such as Jade, Peony, Hazel, and Rose are expected, along with different finishes for the camera module and rear panel. Samsung's Galaxy AI features are now available in Malaysia with the latest One UI 6.1 update, extending to various Galaxy S, Galaxy Z, and Galaxy Tab S series devices. Users can harness on-device and cloud-based AI capabilities for elevated experiences starting from the end of March. The update covers a range of Galaxy devices including the Galaxy S23, S22, S23 FE, Z Flip 5, Z Fold 5, Z Flip 4, Z Fold 4, Tab S9 series, and Tab S8 series. Apple plans to release a new version of its AirTag item tracker in 2025, codenamed B589, currently undergoing testing with manufacturing partners in Asia. According to Bloomberg's Mark Gurman, Gurman anticipates a more powerful chip for improved location tracking, aligning with Ming-Chi Kuo's previous predictions and potential compatibility with Apple's Vision Pro technology. Gurman desires a louder speaker, longer battery life, and a wallet-friendly version of the AirTag. Though official details are still under wraps, third-party companies already offer wallet-compatible trackers compatible with Apple's Find My network. India's EV policy aims to attract investment in domestic manufacturing by incentivizing companies to set up production facilities within the country. Former Niti Aayog CEO Amitabh Kant clarified that India will not tailor its regulations to accommodate specific companies, including Tesla. The statement addresses speculation surrounding Tesla's potential entry into the Indian market. CEO Elon Musk's planned visit to India in April, which was ultimately cancelled, had fueled these speculations. Amazfit has launched the BIP 5 Unity, the next smartwatch in the BIP series, featuring a 1.91-inch HD LCD screen, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen saturation tracking, and stress level monitoring. The smartwatch offers 120 plus sports modes, IP68 dust and water resistance, Bluetooth calling, Amazon Alexa integration, and over 70 downloadable mini apps with Zap OS 3.0, promising up to 11 days of battery life. The BIP 5 Unity boasts a stainless steel frame but lacks GPS support compared to its predecessor, the BIP 5. WhatsApp is reportedly testing a new chat log feature for linked devices, allowing users to hide chats via passcode or biometric authentication, expanding on the existing functionality exclusive to primary devices. The latest beta version of WhatsApp for Android, version 2.24.11.9, includes the chat log feature for linked devices, prompting users to set up a secret code to access locked chat on secondary or linked devices. After setting up the code, locked chat will disappear from linked devices, enhancing privacy and security for WhatsApp users across multiple devices. The recent Blue Origin journey was a suborbital space flight, meaning it did not enter an orbit around the Earth. Blue Origin has plans for deeper space trips in the future, potentially to destinations around the moon, other planets, or asteroids. India-born aviator and commercial pilot Gopi Thotakura was among the 6 space tourists on the trip on Sunday, 19 May. Thotakura is the first space tourist from India, though more than 50 others have made such trips to date. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.